I'm of the opinion that you can never have enough bungees for two reasons. Number one, they eventually get old. I mean, look at these guys. These have seen better days. And I use mine outside in the rain and it just happens, they just get old. But then number two, companies like this one, Straps Pro, just keep inventing cool new types of bungees. And so I'm always wanting to get a few more. So I'm gonna unbox this one for you and I'm just gonna like pull it out of the package and just try it. I think I know what I'm gonna do with it. It's pretty cool, it's different than anything I've got before. So let's take a look. Check this out. It's a bungee with lots of loops. Just imagine some of the applications. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it here, go across, do another one, and then loop them together to kind of create some extra strength. So I've got one here, and then I've also got a second one. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 carabiners. So let me get this to work, and I'll show you what I finally end up with. Kind of excited about these. All right, so first of all, the bungees are tight. Went ahead and just grabbed a few more connectors. I got some S clamps here, and some have locks, some don't, just for fun. Just kind of seeing what some of the application might be. Could actually connect between those. All right, now let's take a look and see what I came up with. So this is not perfect, but it will definitely show you kind of some of the functionality. So over here I've got a carabiner and I've got it clipped onto the side of this, pretty tight. Then I added a little S clip right there. Over here the carabiner is also attached right there. This is all nice and tight. Over here I grabbed something else. I have this little bungee which I looped through here and then just had it here, and I went with a hook right there. Again, I'm just trying whatever I have available. Here's another S. Then I've got a couple of S's with some locks. But again, it just kind of creates some funky web-like structures. And this is gonna be kind of a nice addition to my bungee portfolio. But lots of things you can do with that. I like it. This was sent to me for a review. I said yes, because I love having bungees and I never can have enough of them. But I also said yes, because I was just really curious, because I don't have anything like this. So having had it, it's got nice elastic, good pop, looks sturdy. Again, one of these days, eventually break down as well. But right now, these are a whole lot better than I had. Hope that helps. These are great.